There are people moving in. It's one love. It's one love. And I hope I'm not sounding kind of crazy because it's love.
All right, we are here between Maria's Beach and Domes. And they've made a lot of trails and improvements to this area. I think because this area used to get really, really washed out. But it's kind of a community park, and look, it's a nice walking trail now. Look at this over here. They got a little picnic table made out of a bed. Lots of planting has been going on. So hopefully this will help control some of the erosion that happens down here where it gets really washed out.
Conspiracy has got us kind of hazy. It's time you get unwound. L-O-V-E spells love. L-O-V-E spells love. And I hope I'm not sounding kind of crazy because it's love I found. Conspiracy has got us kind of hazy. It's time you get unwound. L-O-V-E spells love. L-O-V-E spells love.
I think we found our next place to have a nice little picnic dinner by the sea. Look how nice and shady it is, right? Next to the ocean. And a good play place. I'm not sure how far this is going to extend, but it looks like there's also a, this is not quite open yet, but another little path up here to the main road.
L-O-V-E spells love. L-O-V-E spells love.
Whoa. I'm glad you're okay. So up here, above here is the kind of the road that connects Maria's Beach to Domes, and so there's like a nice little bench over here with a small adolescent sailbush. But look at this view.
And as they set out, they always had obstacles in their way, but they were easily overcome by their spirit and determination.
Up here! See, I made it!
Yeah, I made it.
Go up. Go up. You want to climb up or down?
Down.
Okay, jump. Jump, I gotcha. Whoa!
What kind of tree is this, Aiden?
They don't want, they don't want that, don't want, and don't move on.
So this over here, this trail, is basically how all the rest of the trails used to look. It was getting really, really eroded to the point where you couldn't even really do it, even off-roading, because the rivets are so deep.
And now, they're paving them all.
part of the trail. Look at this. It's a big waterfall. We can walk on the beach. It's like pretty wet. This part of the beach that overlooks or looks up at the Lighthouse Park. From here, under this area they call it Dead Man's Beach because it's really rocky, so when people surf out here you have to take extra care, even though it has some nice breaks. So it looks like they've paved a nice ramp so that you could park in this area. It was really, really muddy and rocky and hard to park in. And then they've built another one of the ramps down to the ocean. Almost sunset. Beautiful hour in Rincon. Got some surfers in the distance. Alright, we're here at Calypso, ready to eat our food, burger and some fries, overlooking a beautiful sunset. Buen provecho! did you guys find, Aiden? What's this in the ocean? What is that, Dada?
That's an engine.
That's an engine in the ocean.
That's a V8. Looks like they need to change the oil.
What a beautiful sunset. Aiden, you're getting all wet, baby.
It's one round. And I hope I'm not sounding kind of crazy, because it's love I found. Conspiracy has got us kind of hazy. It's time you get unwound. L-O-V-E spells love. L-O-V-E spells love. It's one love. And I hope I'm not sounding kind of crazy, because it's love I found. Conspiracy has got us kind of hazy. It's time you get unwound. L-O-V-E spells love. L-O-V-E spells love.
Whoa!